Woke up like this. Very tiring. Good morning, Kafalcos. So, natuloy nga kami dito sa Sipalay City. Kagigising lang. We arrived past 8 p.m. last night from Kabangkalan City. A very long trip na flatan pa ang aming sasakyan, and luckily na-resolve naman siya. So there, a puyat day, pero let's make this enjoyable kasi bihira lang naman ito. And as you can see on my background, we are surrounded by an island because we are at right now. That's our room accommodation. We are at Latasan Island Resort. There. Medyo wala tayong ganang magdaldal because kagigising lang natin. And the first thing that we did is to do this video. So medyo views lang ng resort ang ating ipapakita dito. The opposite side, that's what do you call this? Tinagong Dagat Resort. That's Tinagong Dagat rooms for overnight accommodation. Tapos ito yung views dito. There. Then that's our resort, Latasan Island Resort. That's another accommodation. That's the small islands. So there. Yan ang buhay. So from the crossing, mababasa mo doon yung Tinagong Dagat Resort or Mountain Resort. I forgot the name exactly. Same entrance lang sila ng Latasan Island Resort. So ibig sabihin papasok ang Latasan Island Resort. Parang may one. Ito yung one nila dito. Ito yung daanan punta doon. Same lang. Mga boats sila. So they have this bridge. Again, that's Tinagong Dagat Island Resort. Well, how's my experience? Medyo nakakapagod kasi nga nag-travel pa kami from Kabangkalan City. Then from Kabangkalan, dumaan ang municipality of Ilog na pumunta nga kami sa Lisbok or Camp Lisbok where we did the boat riding. Tapos from Ilog, dumaan ang aming trip at municipality of Kawayan. Wait lang, may dadaan. Municipality of Kawayan. Ang Municipality of Kawayan, may mga beach side din siya kasi dumaan kami sa coastal road. Medyo malaki-laking municipality siya to Sipalay City. Papunta na dito. Medyo malaki-laking city siya. Mahaba-habang city pala. Luckily, nasa 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 Sipalay City, nasa part na kami ng Sipalay na Platan. And tumawag kami, nag-request kami ng ano, ng mga mekaniko doon sa isa nearby mechanics sa vulcanizing shop nila. Maliit lang siya, so kinakailangan naming ipa-recheck and ipa-check din ang aming nasirang wheel, isa sa mga gulong. So pina-check namin doon. Maliit lang na mga vulcanizing shop. Kaya experience din after our trip here. Maybe sa Kabangkalan dadaan ulit kami ng medyo malaking mechanic shop para ipa-check ang aming mga gulong, because we will still have a long travel to Bacolod City, then to Iloilo. So for now, i-enjoyin lang natin itong background nature kagabi. Nung dumating kami together with my nephews and niece, night swimming na kami. The Latasan Island Resort. Ang Latasan Island Resort, may family room siya. It's a family room. Maximum of 4, then magpay ka lang 250 pesos for extra bed. Then they have 2 pools. May 2 pools sila. Pero maliit lang siya na pool, about 4 feet. Part of the review, ang staff nila medyo maayos, very welcoming. Pero when it comes to the room, sufficient siya for 4 persons. Pero ang extra bed nila na binigay, hindi ganun, parang 2 beds lang siya. So ang ika-count nila sa iyo is per head pa rin. So 250 times 4 persons pa rin kung 4 persons ang extra mo. Pero 2 beds lang, hindi ganun kalaki naman. Pero kaya naman pag maliit lang na mga person. Then the toilet is not well maintained. Pero pasok na din for the amount that you will pay. Medyo may sira at ang flush ng toilet, so manual ang flushing. Ano pa ba, the door, the door is not that new. Ano pa ba, ang pool hindi ganun ka wide, pero 2 feet pools siya, 2 feet pool. Generally accommodating ang staff nila, kaya satisfy na din.